This is a video demonstrating 1 out of 10 built-in accessibility features developed in an EU-funded research project called We4Authors Cluster. In this project, accessibility expert company Funka, together with market-leading authoring tools, have investigated how authoring tools can best support web authors in creating accessible content by default. In this video, we present a solution to ensure embedded videos are created to be accessible for visually impaired users with screen readers. We will demonstrate the problem from the perspective of the end user, the challenge from the perspective of the web author, the solution recommended by the consortium behind the project, the result for the end user, and examples of code. The video is accompanied by a written technical specification to support implementation in any authoring tool. We hope that the feature will inspire you to make the world more inclusive.
Hi, my name is Joachim, and I use a so-called screen reader to read the content to me. In my case, it's because I'm blind, but that's just one reason for using a screen reader. I would like to show you how I navigate on the web page when I start this course in Introduction to Accessibility. To make it possible for you to know what's happening, you can follow along, watch your screen, and you can see what my screen reader does. Top left, you see a window that represents what's shown on my braille display. Further down, you see a yellow or blue rectangle that shows you what my screen reader is focusing. Now it's time to start the course.
Heading Level 1 Introduction to Accessibility.
Okay, heading Level 1 Introduction to Accessibility. Good start.
We show clear examples of accessibility done right, as well as bad examples, go through statistics, tell about political decisions and explain the main concepts about digital accessibility. Frame clickable.
Oh, I don't want to click this frame.
Play button.
I have no idea what this video contains. Is this really the part 1 of the course?
When you publish an embedded external video, it is important to ensure that the embedding is done in an accessible way. That can be as easy as making sure that the iframe that is normally created contains a description of the video content by adding the title attribute in the iframe element. The video on the web page Joachim watched is embedded with an iframe element, but has no title attribute describing the content of the video. This means that Joachim does not receive any information about the purpose of the video, something that can help him decide if he wants to watch the video or not.
My name is Federico Maresca, and I am a web author at Many Design SRL in Italy. These days, more and more content is provided using video. But even when the video is accessible by itself, it can be really difficult to publish it in an accessible way. In the tools I have worked with, there have never been an easy way to add the description to the content of the video. And it's not a difficult functionality to add to the tools. So it's really quite strange that it's mostly missing. So the question is, do they want the end user that starts the video to understand what it's about? The possibility to describe the content should always be there, according to me.
This feature provides built-in support for embedding videos in an accessible way. When a web author publishes an external video, the authoring tool provides the possibility to write a description of the video content. The result is that users with screen readers will get information about the content of the video. Now, Let's see how this is handled by assistive technology.
Okay, this is another example. I hope this will be the right one.
Heading Level 1 Introduction to Accessibility.
Sounds like before.
We show clear examples of accessibility done right, as well as bad examples, go through statistics, tell about political decisions and explain the main concepts about digital accessibility. Chapter 1, Funkas Education, Introduction to Accessibility.
This is the right one. This is my course.
Play button.
This is the play button. Now I can start to educate myself.
The video is embedded with an iframe element and has the title attribute with a description of the content of the video.
If I'm informed about the contents of the video from the start, I know that I have reached the right one and I can make a decision if it's worth watching or not.